In order to see the motor speed factors, in other words harmonics, on the frequency spectrum, you need to provide the label values of the monitored motor to the system. After logging into the application, open the Machine Management interface by clicking the Machine menu item under the Management menu. We will show the process of entering the label values with the Update operation by clicking the Actions button in this example for one of the two machines we have previously defined for demo purposes. You can add your own machines in a similar way by clicking the Add Asset button. After clicking the Add or Update button, make sure that you enter the frequency, Hertz, inverter output, Hertz, if any, engine speed, RPM, information correctly using the data on the label on the table at the bottom of the screen. Match the sensor mounted on this machine by selecting it from the tree. Then save the values by clicking the Save button. Next, go to the frequency spectrum page, select the corresponding sensor and choose the time interval of the measurements you want to see. Select one of the measurements listed in the Measurement Details section and wait for the spectrum chart to be drawn. Once the graph is drawn, zoom in to a specific frequency range. For example, we will zoom between 0 to 200 Hz. As you can see on the screen, vertical lines are generated at certain frequency values. The first line on the far left of these lines is the fundamental frequency, that is, the frequency value corresponding to the engine rotation speed of the machine. This value is shown with both a thicker line and a larger font than the others. The motor speed corresponding to the frequency value is also indicated in parentheses as RPM. The other harmonics are shown with a thinner line and smaller font, along with the number of times the engine speed. These harmonics provide very useful information for detecting mechanical imbalances, misalignments, gear and bearing failures, detecting electrical problems and monitoring motor load conditions.